Welcome to Friday's market wrap up here at Top Gun Options. Matthew Buckley, call sign Whiz, one of the portfolio managers here at TGO, and we're seeing the results of an absolute lack of U.S. leadership in the world. Yesterday, obviously, as you know, incredible tragedy over the skies of Ukraine, either shot down by the Russians, which I highly doubt, or the Ukrainian separatists, which are backed by Russia. The Russian backed separatist leader in that region, right around the time that that plane got shot down, claimed that they shot down an AN-26, which is a Ukrainian military transport. So they obviously thought that 777 was Ukrainian military transport and blasted away with Russian provided missiles. So Putin, of course, is denying responsibility, saying Ukraine shot it down. It's just, it's an absolute tragedy, but this is what's going to happen in the world now that the United States is a backbench power, or it isn't anything anymore but a country with an open border and that's bankrupt. Gaza, Israel has ordered troops into the ground, massive move into Gaza, tanks ordered to, quote, open fire on anything that moves. So the Middle East is coming apart, Europe's coming apart, and I haven't even talked about things economically. You know, Italy slash growth expectations this morning, the Chinese housing market, Chinese home prices see the biggest decline in record numbers of cities. You know, the slew of bad news in this market is stunning, and here we are with the Dow up 60 points and the S&P up 7. So this really tells you, you know, that we're in that we are in fact bizarro market, and it's stunning. I mean, we had the VIX, a huge spike in the VIX yesterday, and you know, obviously as confirmation of the shoot down came out. The market had a rout, and the VIX had a huge pop in volatility. And I've been telling my TGO traders, when vol's cheap, you buy it. When it's expensive, you sell it. Vol's been incredibly cheap lately, and it's still cheap based on everything that's going on in the world. To see a VIX down here, you know, just north of 10, 11 bucks is it just doesn't make sense. It's nuts. So tough day. I mean, we're in the middle of earnings season. Not that it's, you know, even appropriate to be talking about stocks and money right now, but, you know, there's markets, and we have to talk about this in the wake of this shoot down. Our president is powerless to do anything about it, and we're just going to sit here and sit on our hands. So again, as an American, this is outrageous. It makes my skin crawl. But as a trader, you know, we have to sit here and trade the market and trade, you know, what the market's showing us. So huge spike in the VIX yesterday, huge spike in gold. Market pulled back. Today, who cares, right? The market only cares when it cares. One of my mantras here at Top Gun Options, and it really doesn't seem like the market cares this morning. So we'll go higher. We'll go higher until this thing implodes, and it's going to hurt, and it's going to be bad. But got to run. A big expiration week today. A lot of positions expiring in my 4 model portfolios. Had a good week in our weekly options model portfolio, even with all the volatility all over the place. So I got to run. I'll see you Monday for Monday's market outlook here at Top Gun Options. We'll see you.